Good day, guys. Today, we're gonna get the dark side. If you're wondering how did I get 500 gingerbread so fast, I actually use some applications that help me farm a lot faster. It can farm 24/7 intelligently, allowing for faster resources. I use this to get the dark side and also the digital bee. Now, if this video gets 1000 views and 100 likes, I will personally make a tutorial myself. I achieved this all in only 38 days of total playtime. I also farm digital bee using this application. Watch the tutorial, comment down below. And that's all of it, guys. Thank you